Hi everyone. Today I want to show you how to embed your Padlet into Canvas. So the first thing is you make a Padlet, and this is maybe after students have posted, but you might want to do it before students have posted. And then you're going to click here on the share button, which is right here where my mouse is. I click on the share button where my mouse is, and you'll find here embed in your blog or your website. You want to click on that. And then you're going to copy. Don't worry about all of this mess here. You don't need to worry about it. All you need to do is copy. So I hit the copy button, and that means I have copied it. And now I'm going to go to my Canvas. And I will log in. Oh, I'm already logged in, so that's good. And I'll go down to my Padlet. So here is where I'm going to put the embed code for my Padlet. So I'm going to click on the plus sign. I'm going to go to page, create a page, and I'm going to give it a name, My Class Padlet. Padlet should always be in a capital P. Add the item. And now I have to go and I click on it. I click on edit right here. And then you have two ways you can do it. You can click here on the cloud, or you can click down here on the carrots. We'll click on the cloud today. And we'll just paste that embed code that we copied, and we click submit. And bingo, there is your Padlet embedded, and your students can now actually add to the Padlet right from Canvas. So before I go, I'm going to click the save button. And if I wanted to make a post, all I need to do is click on it and I can make my post. So it makes it really easy for your students to contribute to your Padlet. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed this video.